Hello everyone. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the accidents caused by giant trucks, why it happens, how it happens, and what it leads to. If you're ready, let's get started. Be patient and consider the weight of your burden before you set off. Check all piston systems before you set off. Don't ignore it. Make sure your trucks are on level ground when unloading. Prevents imbalances during unloading. Reduce your speed in corners according to your load. Things get complicated if the load leans sideways. If you are not sure of the size of your truck, reduce your speed and check it before it passes with your eyes. Do not connect the tow cable to the radiator. This will not help. The rules allow him to overtake, but overtaking on a curve is stupid. Why do you think traffic is stopped? If you don't obey the sign, you'll have an accident. It happens so fast that it's impossible to react to it. You can't achieve anything by going fast. You can only lose everything with a momentary mistake. Make sure your load is evenly loaded and don't enter corners too fast. The driver made a really good rescue, maneuvered with complete disregard for his own life, and stop the damaged truck without injuring anyone. The driver coming from the opposite direction panicked the other driver. It is very important to stay calm. If he hadn't come crashing through the bars of the bridge, maybe he would have crushed the car in front of him. Consider the size of the load behind you before approaching drivers. Have you seen the new lawnmower? It is a really impressive machine that even uproots trees.
Quebrou o troço, tá?
Interesting that the bridge collapsed as soon as you stepped on it. Cross bridges that can support your weight. The ground slides like soap, but the skillful firefighter saves the situation to a great extent. Hey man, you're not in a drag race. You're just going to ride on the trailer of a truck. If they follow the height rules and pass in such a way, the accident will not occur. This accident has happened many times, both damage to the load and to the truck. Trucks are not used to jumping from higher heights. I was amazed that it continued. I think he fell asleep. That's the only explanation for him crashing and crashing again.
so close.
It will remain a trauma for the children if you feel the car slipping in winter. Don't brake too much. It will cause you to skid. Stay calm and try to recover the situation. Do not enter the blind spot of trucks and trucks. They do not see you. They have many blind spots because they are big. It seems like nothing happened in this accident. Just a little dragged with the wheelchair. I hope the driver noticed and stopped afterwards. If you have an accident, do not continue on the road. Pull over to a suitable place and take the car to the mechanic. If you continue in this way, you may also harm other drivers. When he realized he couldn't get out, he decided to demolish the whole bridge. In this case, he had to call for roadside assistance.
Al. Al. Yetti üstüne. Al. Al. Gördün mü? Tamam yetti daha.
You did it wrong. He don't know how to drive.
When getting out of the car, we have to make sure we set the handbrake several times, even if it's a flat surface. The wheels pop them all like a balloon. Carry loads that you can control. He sees you slowing down, but doesn't apply the brakes. Keep the following distance from the vehicle in front of you. This will protect you from accidents to a great extent. The driver coming from the opposite lane suddenly dived into the opposite direction, and his speed equals uncontrolled speed.
Without having a car of their own. In fact, the Public Interest Research Group, or PIRG, just did a study that ranks
A vehicle coming from the opposite direction and a repeat accident do not go the opposite way. I hope there is no one at home. He hit a truck in the road and pushed it to the side of the road. Even if he tried to slow down, he couldn't do it. It is really difficult to control a sliding vehicle on a frozen road. He slowed the vehicle down and threw it off the road. It burns like a torch and then explodes like a bomb. It almost destroys the whole house. It's a suicide. He sees a truck and tries to drive towards him. The truck driver can't do anything. If he stays in his lane, he won't face any problems. I think drivers should be regularly tested for reflexes. If there is no one in the car, the driver is very much at fault. Where are you trying to catch up so fast? Of course you're going to crash, man. You're a big truck. How do you think you're going to get through that gap? You should have slowed down and given way to the bus. Check the road before entering the main road, and then enter the road. Check your mirrors and signal before changing lanes. Do not forget to stay in your lane. The driver must have suffered some illness, or he would not have crashed like this. If you make a turn, signal and wait for the right moment. When transporting materials, make sure that the products are securely fastened. It can cause a major accident. Too much speed slows down the control of the truck. In this case, I advise you to go at stable speeds. If there is a truck behind you, do not brake suddenly. Unless there is an emergency, it is difficult for them to slow down because they are mostly loaded. It doesn't make any sense to center the lane on a big road and drive on the guy. You see the car, why don't you brake? It is a very sad situation when the driver is trapped between two trucks. Check the mirror before changing lanes and change if the car is not coming. Do not drive on the oncoming car. Could it be an optical illusion? when overtaking. Do not panic if the other vehicle comes. Slow down and return to your lane. Do not turn a one-lane road into 2 lanes. This is done to protect you. There is no point in going so fast in stopped traffic. It will only kill you. When overtaking, if you see a vehicle coming from the opposite lane, do not drive over it. Use your head and get back into your lane. Dude, there's nothing to panic about. Stay calm and don't brake suddenly. Get back in your lane. We have come to the end of the video. Subscribe to our channel and do not forget to turn on notifications. Do not forget to support us for more videos.